Okay, take this shit out. Sorry for the camera quality, guys. Now, oh shit, I gotta take out the switch. Whoopsie daisy. Clip. This one's a bit tricky. Man, that's a bitch switch. The fuck? That's a bitch ass switch, gentlemen. Fuck you, motherfucker. I'm so sorry for the language. Ay, ay, ay. I can't even make a video with you. Come on. Stop trying me, yo. Alright, do it for the fan. Do it for the fan. Alright, you know what? Okay, there you go. Guys, don't get mad like me. I need anger management courses. So, if you suffer from any kind of anger or short-tempered piss off, please do not do this because you're gonna break your panel. Alright? It all requires love and motherfucking care. So I think we're all loose here. Right? What's holding me here? Okay, there's still something holding me. So I think oh shit, look, there's a screw right here, bro. Oh my god. Wow, you see that? How's that for part one, huh? And it cracked. Oh shit. Oh god. Uh-oh. 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 Houston, we have a problem. So yeah, guys, before you do anything, make sure you take this off, so then you're gonna break it. Okay? And then you'll go right into the junkyard like an idiot like me. Damn, there you go. Dude, come on, what is up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's a dirty whore. You're a dirty whore screw, huh? I'm not putting you back, bitch. I'm eliminating you from the competition, you slut. That's right, you give me a hard time. Look, you made me crack my shit, you fucking... Ugh. I'm gonna fuck you up, man. Sorry, guys. Look at that, 3 minutes of me saying curse words. It's still nothing, yo. Dot, this... Oh, God. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna... Gentlemen, this thing's not coming out, so I'm gonna have to hold it on one side. Okay. So when I hold it here, and pulls here, I can't find the hole. You gotta stick it in. That's what she said. I'm actually taking it from the plastic side. Okay, I think. Oh my god, I'm getting pissed off. Dude, what the hell's your problem, huh? You think you're better than me? You son of a bitch. Alright, you fucking bitch. I'm gonna fuck you up, man. Alright, I'm gonna hold you right here. Sorry, guys. Haha. All right. Now, to still take this out, you have screws here. There you go. Yay! Bam! Out with the old. Shit. How does it go again? And with the new. Now make sure you get the little clips, metal clips that go right here. Okay. There you go. Oh fuck. I already had it, bro. I like that song. Sorry, guys. Okay. Somebody wants to be a cunt today. There you go. Okay. Alright, cool. Now I put this shit. Over here. Goes like this. Now I'm copying the same assembly. But let's do another part for this video, okay?